Welcome to Stay at Home Connect. I'm Phyllis Jackson.
The CDC is predicting the nation's coronavirus death toll will rise to between 140,000 to 160,000 deaths by next month. Dr. Anthony Fauci says some states reopened too quickly, and states with the highest cases should consider pausing their reopenings. Researchers with the Harvard Global Institute say shutdowns should be mandatory in Florida, Georgia, Arizona, Louisiana, and South Carolina. Georgia hospitalizations are on the rise. Here's where Georgia stands in terms of capacity. Right now, the state has 45% availability in the ER, but critical care beds are at 17%. If you're in need of a COVID-19 test and you're not quite sure where to go, you can get a list of testing locations at the Georgia Department of Public Health's website. It's dph.georgia.gov. Wellstar Health is among several hospital systems that have been feeling the weight of the increased cases. I caught up with infectious disease specialist Dr. Danny Branstetter, who tells us all parts of the state are vulnerable.
Do you feel that you have everything you need to deal with the surge in cases?
Wellstar's got hospitals and facilities throughout Georgia, and we have them both in urban areas as well as rural areas. And those facilities are seeing cases just alike. So just because you're in a rural community doesn't mean you're immune to this. And in fact, we see the most population-dense infections in our rural communities. We have surge planning, we have COVID planning, been looked at great. We worked at partnering with our departments of public health, the National Guard, state and local officials, all to be prepared for the demand that may be seen in the community.
We do need 8.
Atlanta City Councilmember Michael Julian Bond and several local partners come together to host an emergency food distribution event at Atlanta's Marriott Marquis.
In partnership with Jose Helps, the Concerned Black Clergy, celebrities that give back, and some of our other sponsors, city employee, volunteers, and other elected officials to distribute food boxes to those workers who are in the hospitality and tourism industry. This is the industry that fuels our economy. They've been hit probably the hardest out of any industry in the country economically because of COVID-19. Chicken, milk, vegetables, cabbage, lettuce, tomatoes, fruit, I mean, you name it. We're trying to make sure that nobody goes hungry, nobody goes with an empty stomach during these times.
That's it for Stay at Home Connect. Have a great night.